Yeah, hello, welcome back. Alright, are you ready for this one? Nacho sausages. Another great way to snazzy up some snags. Okay, we need 8 beef sausages. We need 50 grams of cheese corn chips, any sort you can get. We need either mozzarella cheese or pizza cheese, or if it comes down to it, any cheese you've got. We need, I've got a 300 gram jar there of salsa. Normally I use a mild one, but I only had mediums left, so I just grabbed one of them. It doesn't have to be the Doritos brand, it can be any sort of salsa you want. That is all we need to make these, folks. So the first thing we want to do is we want to fry up our sausages till they're cooked. We either do it on the frying pan or on the barbie. So while the sausages are cooking, we want to grab a freezer bag or a sandwich bag. Now we want 50 grams of the cheese corn chips. So I roughly work out 50 grams is just to 2 handfuls. There's probably a bit more, but... Close up the bag, leave it open a little bit so you don't pop the bag. Just crush them down with your hands. Once we've done that, just set them aside till we need them. Once they're cooked, put them on some paper towel. Now if we're cooking inside, you want to preheat your oven right now at 200 degrees Celsius. We want to get out a baking tray with some baking paper. Now what we want to do next is we want to slice the sausage down the middle about 3/4 of the way through. So don't go through right till the end, like right to the bottom I mean. Like so. Break them open a little bit so they sit open. And now we want to sit them onto our baking tray. Once we've done that, now we want to open them up one at a time, and we want to sprinkle our corn chips in there first. Now once we've done that, we want to get our salsa and we want to drizzle it on them. Once we've done that, now we get our pizza cheese, mozzarella cheese, any cheese, grated cheese you can get, and we want to put it on the top of that. I'm just going to do a little dollop in a couple of spots just for the colour. And now we bang them in the oven. And if you're doing them on the barbecue, bang them in the barbecue and close the lid. 5 minutes later, nacho sausages. Give it a crack. It is an absolute little perler. So I love to do them with chips with chicken salt. But if you're doing them on the barbie, you can do them with salads, you can do them with veggies. It just doesn't matter. It's just another way to spice up some sausages. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome night, and I'll see you soon. Bye.